Let us start last exercise of this chapter, surface area and volume. And this exercise is based on the frustum of a cone. Question number one of this exercise is a drinking glass is in the shape of a frustum of a cone of height 14 centimeter. The diameter of its two circular ends are 4 centimeter and 2 centimeter. Find the capacity of the glass. We have height of the frustum of cone here. We have h, height of frustum. What is the height of frustum here? It is 14 centimeter. Then the diameters of its two circular ends, D1, it is 4 centimeter. Therefore, R1 is equal to 2 centimeter. D2, it is 2 centimeter. Therefore, R2 is equal to 1 centimeter. Find the capacity of this glass. तो capacity निकालने के लिए हमने क्या करना है? What we have to do here? Therefore, capacity of glass. Capacity of glass is equal to, it is equal to volume of frustum. वॉल्यूम ऑफ फ्रस्टम. वॉल्यूम ऑफ फ्रस्टम पर कल ही हमने फार्मूला डिराइव की है 1/3 पाई एच R1 स्क्वायर प्लस R1 इंटू R2 प्लस R2 स्क्वायर, दैट इज 1/3. ऊपर लिखा हुआ है यूज पाई 22/7. 22/7. हाइट इज 14. R1 that is 2 square plus R1 into R2, 2 into 1 plus R2 square is 1 square. It is 7 2s are 14. 222 is 44/3 into 2 square is 4. 2 into 1 is 2. 1 square is 1. That is equal to 44/3 into 7. 7 4s are 28. 7 4s are 28 plus 2 is 30. Divided by 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 0 0, 3 twos are 6, carries 2, that is 3 6 are 18. It is 102.6 cubic centimeter, the volume of capacity of the glass. Now question number 2 of the same exercise. Question number 2 is the slant height of a frustum of a cone is 4 centimeter. L of frustum, slant height of frustum, it is equal to 4 centimeter. And the perimeters of its two circular ends are P1, it is 18 centimeter. P2, that is 6 centimeter. Find the curved surface area of frustum. जैसे कि हमें पता है curved surface area of frustum can be taken as pi L into R1 plus R2. So we will write first R1 and R2. P1, perimeter of the first circular end, as the perimeter of circle is 2 pi R. 2 pi R, it is R1. It is equal to 18 centimeter. What is pi R1 only? That is 18/2, which is equal to 9 centimeter. Now 2 pi R2. 2 pi R2, it is equal to 6 centimeter. Therefore, pi R2 is equal to 6/2, that is 3 centimeter. Now, curved surface area of frustum. Curved surface area of frustum. Curved surface area of frustum के लिए जो फार्मूला आपने यूज करनी है, that is pi, which is equal to pi L into R1 plus R2. 22/7, या इसको और सिंप्लीफाई कर सकते हैं, पाई इंटू R1, दैट इज L इंटू पाई R1 प्लस पाई R2. पाई से मैंने दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई किया. L स्लांट हाइट ऑफ दिस फ्रस्टम इज इक्वल टू, जो पहले ही हमने नोट करके रखा है, स्लांट हाइट ऑफ द फ्रस्टम, that is 4 centimeter. It is 4 into what is pi R1, that is 9, plus pi R2, that is 3. that is 4 into 12. It is 48 square centimeters. Now question number 3. Question number 3 of the same exercise is a fez. The cap used by the Turks is shaped like a frustum of a cone. जो कैप बनी है उसकी शेप है फ्रस्टम ऑफ कोन. If it is a radius on the open side is 10 centimeter, that is R1. We have R1, it is 10 centimeter, and the upper radius of upper base जो closed है that is 4 centimeter. R2 is equal to 4 centimeter, and its slant height L is equal to 15 centimeter. Find the area of material used for making it. Therefore area of material, जो ये कैप बनानी है हमें उसमें कितना मटेरियल लगेगा. एक तो कर्व्ड सरफेस एरिया प्लस एरिया ऑफ द टॉप. इट इज कर्व्ड सरफेस एरिया प्लस एरिया ऑफ टॉप. अब देखिए कर्व्ड सरफेस एरिया की फार्मूला, कर्व्ड सरफेस एरिया विच इज इक्वल टू पाई L into R1 plus R2 plus area of the top is pi R2 square, because it is pi R square because top of the cap is circular. 22 upon 7 into L, its slant height is 15. R1 plus R2, 10 plus R1 is 10, R2 is 4, it is 10 plus 4 plus pi again 22 upon 7 into 4 square, that is equal to 22 upon 7 can be taken as common here. It is now 15 into 10 plus 4 is 14 plus 4 square is 16, that is 22 upon 7 into 14 5s are 70, carry 7, 14 1s are 14, so that is up to 210 plus 16. It is 22 upon 7 into 226, sum of these two numbers, and you will calculate 22 into 226 divided by 7, that will be in square centimeters. This is the area of the cap, area of the material used for making the cap. These were the first three questions of this last exercise.